Hey guys, it's Justine and this is my sister Jenna.
Hello.
And today we are prepping for Easter, so we're gonna do all of the Easter prep work for you so you don't have to.
Well, they could do it too if they want.
You don't wanna do this.
Oh, yeah.
You don't wanna do this because I ordered all kinds of, okay, looks like I've got a couple of
Duplicates.
Looks like I have 4 of the same ones. Okay, I think I made a mistake.
You can win $1,000!
Well, I've had
Oh! My God.
How did I order 4 of these? Is the question. I'm not really sure. I ordered a bunch of these. Apparently I ordered duplicates. We have a shimmering pearl,
I've used that before.
egg, neon molten magic, marble egg,
Ow.
candy apple egg. Oh, we also have this.
You spin on it.
Spin an egg. And it's got some little Easter lights. And
Oh.
I got an Easter Lego set. Like, look
Did
at
you
this.
want to hang these up before?
Yeah, open them up. The best part about this Lego set, look at this little guy. He is searching for Easter eggs. He's got a magnifying glass. This is like the coolest thing I've ever seen.
You should get out more.
You're mean.
This is me as a person. I can't help
You're
it.
mean.
Imagine existing in this.
You know I don't get out a lot, so that's like digging deep. That's like jab, jab.
No.
Jab.
No.
Jab.
No.
Jab, jab, jab.
Stop it.
All right, what should we test first?
Oh,
We should probably get the class. What do we need? Okay, we need cups. So tablets.
Yes.
Oh no.
What?
We need vinegar?
You have vinegar. You might not have vinegar. Can you fit an egg in here?
Yes, but what? I don't have vinegar.
Yes, you do.
Do I have vinegar? I have vinegar. White vinegar?
What kind of vinegar?
Distilled.
I'm holding a thing of vinegar. Apple cider, though.
Wait, I have some. Let's test each one of these. This is gonna be the marble one. Is that a tablespoon? Do you think that's a tablespoon?
Generous.
Okay.
Whoa, science. This is content.
Yeah. Okay, so what do we do with this one? Look at that.
Ooh.
24 karat gold egg glaze.
We should just do those. How can I help?
Okay, this came out of here. So this is,
Dazzling color. Color brilliant. Colorant brilliant.
this one we just paint them. So let's put this here. So this is our classic color.
Do you need this still? I'm gonna move it over here.
Yeah, no, I need it. Put it in here.
Well, you're putting it in a very...
Yeah, put it in there. Okay. Okay.
Oops. Oh, wow, wow.
Yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. That's pretty.
You're pretty.
You're pretty.
I'm going to put my egg in the machine.
What are you doing over there?
I'm spinning an egg. Okay. Where's my packet? What color do we want? Green. Purple. Yes. 8 to 10 drops. Oh. Well, that was...
That's the half the pack.
That's the whole packet. Okay, place top on spinner. Pump the top and watch the egg spin. Who's ready for fun? This is thrashing my egg around. We can get real wild and add more color. Ooh, yeah. It doesn't say that on the packet though. I'm adding my own creative
Spin?
Oh my God, you're so funny. Oh my God, humor.
This is,
Science. Pink?
I am thinking that like,
What are you doing? Have you made any eggs yet?
no, I'm still trying to open all these packets.
So I'm now adding a pink to my mixture. There's so much going on.
So I think that I could probably use all these same colors because all of these are like the same.
That's fine. You can do whatever you want.
We just have like a lot of little added extras.
Uh-oh. We're fine.
You're in trouble.
Everything. This is you did this to me. Okay, here we go. We added 2 colors, everyone.
How much do I put in there?
This is like the weirdest.
Do I just put the egg in there now?
Oh, you're supposed to use the machine.
Have
the
I
stick.
done it?
Use the stick.
Have I done it? This looks like pea.
A carton and
I
egg.
thought that this was gonna work out.
How old are we?
This is extraordinary. Now we gotta like dye the egg and stuff.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful. I'm gonna put this on.
Okay.
A gem. That has a very bad smell. I don't like the smell of that. I realize there's not. Am I even?
Whoa! What do I do with this?
Oh, I need another dry egg.
When I told you guys that I was going to be reviewing these, I think that you should probably not expect any sort of review, and you should not listen to anything that I say.
Well, I'm doing a very good job of this egg spinner review. I'm gonna add another color. I'm gonna add yellow. Have you made an egg yet?
No!
I mean, it's like Easter 2020 at this point.
Oh my gosh!
Here we go. Looking them up. This is exactly what I thought I'd be doing today.
Oh, excellent.
Oh my gosh!
So I think I'm just gonna paint one gold and see what happens.
This is a gem of an artwork. Look at this, Jess.
Oh, that is nice. Okay, I'm gonna paint this gold. So, I was thinking that like this would be a little bit more exciting.
Should I check to see if there's a murderer here or like
Maybe.
Oh, our batteries.
Oh my god, yeah, you're right. Wow, that was fast. What did we need that for again?
The lights. Very important part of this. Oh my
Put them up, hang them up.
gosh. This is gorgeous.
Where's that glitter at? All right, so the marble egg.
I don't think it's gonna work out very well. Here, get that side.
I think it looks lovely.
All right, there's still no eggs that are made.
Have we made an egg? I've made
What
one
did I
egg.
do with
Look
this?
at this egg.
This is like clay.
You keep it in there and you wet it. Do I have scissors?
Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'm leaving. I'm going home.
It's like watercolor. I think you're. Oh no! I made
Watercolor, it actually is rejecting water.
Wait a minute.
What's happening?
I've got all of my mixed up. Place the colored wax square on the egg. Okay, place egg.
So it is a wax.
It is a wax.
I was like, it's repelling.
Oh my god, we need a hairdryer. Turn a hairdryer on low, point warm air.
Oh, let's use fire.
No.
Like, I'm so lazy to walk up the stairs to get a hairdryer. So I'm using my brain, small brain. This is gonna work.
Okay, so I didn't read past what you're supposed to do after the hairdryer bit.
Oh.
Oh my god, that looks incredible. That looks really good.
Hold on, don't make me laugh, I'm gonna burn
Sorry,
myself.
okay.
So children, don't do this. What if the wax burns me?
Oh! Is it hot?
I don't know, I got
Are you
scared.
crisp? Are
I
you
got
okay?
scared.
Oh my god, are you alright?
I got so scared. I don't think this is the best way to dye eggs.
These have been in here for an hour. An hour. I don't even know what's gonna happen.
Probably hatched.
They probably have hatched. What is this?
So that's dry.
Oh, this is my marbled egg. Okay, well, that's absolutely not even marbled anymore because it's been in here for so long.
Do we have any more paintbrushes? What's this? Is this a...
This looks good.
That's... I was painting this one pink, but do we have any more paintbrushes?
Okay.
Do we have any more paint? What's this? I'm getting upset.
You need to simmer down.
I bet this is exactly how it went down as children when we were doing this.
Probably.
Screaming at each other. That's my egg!
That's my egg.
Oops.
Give me my egg.
Actually, we probably got along because we were probably really nice.
Well,
Now we've really come into our bodies and our personality. Okay, so
this is stupid. Who thought this was a good idea? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh my god, it's burning my fingers.
oh, where'd my egg go?
What would anybody... This is so... Is it working? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah! Look!
I see.
Oh my god, it's burning me! Ow, ow! Ow, son of a egg biscuit. Ow! I think the fire might have been better than this hairdryer. Hey kids, use fire.
Don't use the fire.
Can I set it down? Ow, freaking dumb. Now there's wax everywhere. Ah! Ow! Ow, God! I'm blowing things everywhere. There's only so many colors on this egg.
That smells.
This is so stupid. I'm so upset right right now. Ow! It's getting all over everything.
Well, was it worth it?
I don't think it was. Look at this. How bad this is.
What does this go
Oh my
to?
god, it stinks. It smells like a crayon. So I guess I'm gonna paint this gold.
So what do I do with this? Oh, that's... Yeah. I'd like to use that, please.
Okay. Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
I think that this went terribly.
Where should I put this?
I don't know. I think
Trash can.
the trash. This is a disaster.
Can we pick our favorite?
Yeah, I think this is my favorite.
This one's my favorite.
Oh, but look at that side.
No.
I don't think I made a single egg that looked good.
Is there a silver I could like... No, I don't want to ruin it.
The silver I put inside of...
Why would you do that?
How do you get all the
How'd you get
sides
that
to look
silver? Well, you put them like you...
good? Where did you get these at?
They're over here.
Oh, heavens, look.
Oh, heavens. Look at that.
Well, guys, I hope that
I'm sorry.
this helps you a little bit. I don't think that it did. I am gonna leave you now. Delete this video. Delete my channel.
I don't like it.
I don't like
The best thing about this video is that it's over.
Bye.